If your Galaxy phone doesn't have the GoodLock app, or if you prefer not to use it, you can install and use the BadLock app, which offers similar functions to GoodLock. BadLock can use all GoodLock plugins without any region restrictions. From theme park to Keys Cafe. Let's install and use BadLock on your Galaxy device together. Open web browsers, then search BadLock app on Google. This is an open source application that you won't find on the Play Store. Go to the app's GitHub page and scroll all the way down. Tap on the Releases section and select the latest version, currently version 1.2. Then, download the BadLock APK installation file. Wait for the download to complete, then proceed to install the application on your Galaxy device. Open BadLock, and you'll see a list of available plugins. Each plugin needs to be downloaded and installed manually before you can use it. I'll take the App Booster plugin as an example. When you tap on it inside BadLock, it will automatically redirect you to the download page. From there, find the latest version of the plugin and download it to your device. This is an official APK distribution page, so you can rest assured that it's safe and secure to download from. Wait until the download is complete, then proceed to install the plugin on your Galaxy device. After installation, open BadLock and find the plugin you just installed. In this case, App Booster. Galaxy App Booster can optimize all applications that have been used in the past 30 days. You can try this plugin to optimize your Galaxy device's performance, helping reduce battery drain, boost system speed, and make your device run noticeably smoother. BadLock app. Thanks for watching video.